Looking for the best blender in 2026, but feeling overwhelmed by all the choices? From smoothies and protein shakes to soups, sauces, and frozen drinks, the right blender can make everyday cooking much easier. But not every blender delivers the same performance. In this video, we've compared product features, expert evaluations, and feedback from thousands of verified customer reviews to bring you 5 blenders that consistently stand out for power, reliability, and overall value. Whether you're shopping on a budget or looking for a premium machine, there's something here for you. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is the NutriBullet Pro 900, a compact blender that has become a favorite for anyone who loves smoothies, protein shakes, and quick breakfast drinks. Despite its small size, it packs a powerful 900-watt motor that's capable of blending frozen fruit, ice, leafy greens, and nuts into smooth, creamy drinks in under a minute. Many buyers love how easy it is to use. Simply fill the cup, twist it onto the base, blend, and you're ready to go. Since you drink directly from the blending cup, there's very little cleanup afterward. Its compact footprint also makes it a great choice for apartments, dorm rooms, or kitchens with limited counter space. While it's excellent for single servings, it's not designed for preparing large batches or tackling heavier jobs like making soup or large quantities of nut butter. Still, if your main goal is making quick, healthy drinks, the NutriBullet Pro 900 offers excellent value and dependable performance. Coming in at number 4 is the Ninja Professional Plus Blender, a model that continues to receive high marks for its combination of power and affordability. Equipped with a powerful motor and durable stainless steel blades, it handles frozen fruit, crushed ice, sauces, smoothies, and frozen cocktails with ease. One feature that buyers frequently praise is its large blending pitcher, making it ideal for families or anyone who enjoys meal prepping. The preset blending programs also remove much of the guesswork by automatically adjusting blending times for different recipes. Although it's slightly louder than some premium competitors, most owners agree that the impressive blending performance easily outweighs the extra noise. If you're looking for a versatile blender that can handle everyday kitchen tasks without costing a fortune, this is an excellent option. Taking the third spot is the Breville Fresh and Furious Blender, a model that strikes an impressive balance between performance and convenience. It's designed for people who want consistently smooth results without paying the premium price of some high-end blenders. Its specially designed blade system creates smooth smoothies, creamy soups, and silky sauces while minimizing chunks and uneven textures. Many reviewers also appreciate how quiet it is compared to many blenders in its class, making early morning smoothie preparation much less disruptive. The Fresh and Furious also features several one-touch programs that simplify blending different recipes. While it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty commercial-style use, it performs exceptionally well for everyday home cooking and healthy meal preparation. In second place is the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro, one of Ninja's newest and most advanced blenders. This model has attracted attention for its intelligent blending technology, which automatically adjusts speed and power depending on the ingredients inside the pitcher. Owners consistently praise how effortlessly it blends frozen fruit, ice, leafy greens, and thick smoothie bowls into incredibly smooth textures. It's also versatile enough to prepare soups, dips, sauces, and homemade nut butters, making it much more than just a smoothie blender. Many buyers appreciate its sturdy construction, easy-to-use controls, and consistent performance across a wide variety of recipes. While it sits in the upper mid-range price category, many reviewers believe its advanced features and excellent blending performance make it well worth the investment. Taking our number 1 spot is the Vitamix 5200, a blender that has earned an outstanding reputation among home cooks and professional chefs alike. Although it's one of the more expensive options available, it's widely recognized for delivering exceptional performance, durability, and versatility. Its powerful motor and precision-engineered blades can easily handle everything from frozen fruit and ice to hot soups, nut butters, bread dough, and even homemade flour. One reason buyers continue to recommend the Vitamix 5200 year after year is its ability to create incredibly smooth textures that many standard blenders simply can't match. Beyond performance, owners frequently mention its long lifespan, with many reporting that their machines continue to perform reliably after years of regular use. While the higher price may not fit every budget, many reviewers consider it a worthwhile long-term investment for anyone who blends regularly. Those are our picks for the top 5 blenders that are actually worth buying in 2026. Whether you're looking for an affordable blender for your daily smoothies or a premium machine that can handle almost any recipe, each of these models stands out for its performance, reliability, and overall value. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe to Home and Kitchen Finds for more honest reviews, product comparisons, and buying guides every week. You'll also find links to all of the blenders featured in today's video in the description below. If you choose to purchase through those links, they help support the channel at no extra cost to you, and we truly appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.